Fernandez, what did you say? You will no longer upload hiccup videos. Oh, Fernandez, I would love to upload a hiccup video, but I haven't gotten any hiccups. Can somebody please tell him Espanol no hiccupo recently? Please, please. Everyone's saying please. What the hell? Can you please burp a French word? It's delicious. 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 Delicioso. Can you burp in a row? There's so many requests coming in right now. Oh, what's good, Xtina? Thank you, homie. Thank you. Everyone's got me. Everyone's got my back. Dang. I love you guys. Now tell him. Now tell him, Happy New Year, Xtina. Tell him Harambe. Ask him if he loves Harambe. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, Chris is in here, and you knew Xtina. That's what's up. What's up? Xtina, I love you so much. Oh yes, let's go. Oh, sorry guys. I shouldn't ask you to do that. I feel so stupid. I don't love you at all, Mitch. I get really annoyed by you when you come through, but I'll let you stay because I muted your other account. Harambe. I couldn't think of something, but I was just like, that's the first thing that came to my mind. Oh my god. Okay, you guys are distracting me. Oh my gosh, I'm like crying tears. Dwayne Johnson's crying. We knew you would be back. Are you gonna wrestle John Cena, and is it gonna be like actually good this time? He said Harambe is in the library. Yes! I love you guys. I love you, Xtina. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'll never ask you to do that again. Garth Smokes, though, have you watched my Got Talent from Spain? Dude, they were fighting right in front of me for like a good solid minute or two, maybe longer, and I had the translator wasn't translating, and I was on stage. They would not translate. They're like, they're fighting about the past. They're fighting about the past. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's the one where I burped Taylor Swift song. And they cut it all out of the show. They cut the entire fight, and I'm just standing there like, oh my god, like what are they saying? And they're just telling me in the translator that they're fighting about the past. Don't worry about it. And she said, I don't know. That's why I'm like fucked, because there's this entire thing about me. And not only that, dude, but they gave me the golden buzzer and they took it away from me. They said I didn't deserve it, and the judge apologized on Instagram. He made a statement apologizing for giving it to me, and I'm just like, I don't even know, dude, what they were saying, what they were fighting about, and they gave it to somebody else. They didn't give it to it was a dance group that they gave the golden, they took it away and gave it to somebody else. But they didn't do that until they started filming the semifinals, because I was in the auditions, right? And you get the golden buzzer, you're supposed to go straight to the final. Well, that didn't happen. They didn't want me back on that show. It fucking broke my heart. And I was like, they straight up used me, and I don't even know what they're saying about me. One of them was like, that's gross, and someone else was like, this is great. Yeah. And I guess what happened was Risto was the judge that gave me the golden buzzer. He did it to tease the girl sitting next to him. She gave me the first red X and she kept smacking it like, oh my God, this is disgusting. Get her off stage. And they were the two fighting. They didn't show that on, they showed a small amount of it on the clip, but not the whole fight because it lasted forever. And I was like, is this really happening right now? It was so crazy. And the network Telecinco said I was too inappropriate and they didn't want me on their network. But it's pinned on here. It's also on YouTube, not my YouTube channel, but you can Google it. And it was like, I personally thought it was an amazing performance. I thought, for what I could do anyway, like I just, yeah. And so, dude, you guys have to go see What They Say. Xtina, you don't, I already showed you, but Garth, you have to go, since you speak the language, you have to go see. And it was like they brought it up throughout the entire rest of the show. They were making fun of me, not making fun of me, but they were like, oh, the judge was like, I have a meeting with production and we're gonna talk about this and I might be in trouble and like all this crazy stuff. Like they completely freaking used me. It was insane. Thanks, Xtina. Thanks, Sugar. Thanks, Gar. Thanks, Gar. You can do a burp concert for me anytime. And they know I'm talented. They know I'm talented. They know that they need me. These shows. Okay? So, honestly, it's totally fine, but it's one of the biggest reasons I haven't been doing this lately is because that shit shook me to my fucking core. I was crying. I was very, very depressed. Like, the shit I've been through the burp community is nothing compared to what that fucking show put me through. And the thing is, I can't even talk much about it. Like, I can't even say everything. And it was insane what happened to me. I hope it never happens to anyone ever again because, you know, there's so many little kids on that show. Like, they wouldn't do that shit to a little kid. They wouldn't give a little kid a golden buzzer and then just be like, sorry, no. Like, they did it because I have a weird and controversial talent. And that's what it was. So, and I don't know if I'll ever be on another show again because I kind of spoke out about it on Instagram and I wasn't supposed to, but they fucking pissed me off. I mean, it was, I can't even say everything because I'm just afraid. But maybe one day we can talk a little more about it. But it was really fucking crazy. I should have suplexed them. Yeah, you're right. You know what? They actually had wrestlers on that season of the show. It wasn't even like, it was like one of those like rinky dink rings. It was not like a professional ring. Like the ropes were really loose, but they were still doing all the things and they were like, oh my God, this is so amazing. I'm like, what, have you guys never watched fucking wrestling before? Like, I watched this like 3 times a week. Like, what the fuck is this? It was just so weird. But they took my golden buzzer away. They gave it to a dance group. Well, they didn't win the show, so whatever. Some other lady won the show that has a weird voice. I didn't even watch it. I couldn't. It made me fucking sick to my stomach. Yeah. You guys should go check it out, though. It's crazy. I actually had somebody, it's the weirdest thing. Somebody emailed me. Okay, so the show just ended maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So when the final happens, and well, they already all knew that I wasn't gonna be there because they made a big deal about it on the show. But Thanks, Sextina. You too, girl. This is our year. This is our fucking year. Fuck yeah. But yeah, it was, I don't remember what I was saying, but oh, someone emailed me. They're like, apparently I have a Britain's Got Talent Wikipedia page, and it updates every time I do a performance. So somebody, I don't know, I think it's a Got Talent, like hardcore super fan, emailed me and they were like, yo, what happened? And I had to be like, I'm not going to tell you what happened, but here is how you can find out. And also, if you do want to see like every single update, just go to my Instagram, and on my main profile there's like stories. There's one about Guinness, Britain's Got Talent, and Spain's Got Talent. So just click the Spain's Got Talent one. It'll show you the entire thing, like all the drama. From what I grabbed and saved, there's so much more of it out there. Like, there was so many news articles written about me. It was insane. And I had to translate all of them, and it was just crazy. It was a lot of drama. It was way more than I ever expected that I ever would. And yeah, like Xtina was saying, the exposure is one thing, but like, I don't know, man. Like, the exposure, what about the respect? Like, oh my gosh. You couldn't even let me in on it that you were going to do that to me? It was just crazy. You know what? It's not up to me. It's, bottom line is, when you do these shows, you sign a contract. They can literally do whatever they want with your performance, your footage, all that stuff. So, but now I know. Now I know. So, oh well, though. The real fans are here anyway. Hey, and you want to know what? If you go watch that video, I had the entire crowd, the entire auditorium standing on their feet, cheering for me, singing, clapping. They loved me. And I was just kind of blown away how, like, you get a reaction, like, in person, a standing ovation, basically, and then they're just like, we don't want to see you anymore? Like, what? Okay, the math isn't mathing, but fuck me. Maybe, girl, maybe, but it's crazy to me that I haven't even been on a TV show in this country yet. I've just been on other countries' television shows. Like, what the fuck's wrong with me? Nobody wants me on this show. I'm like the most controversial bitch out there. Thanks, Sugar, loyal fan for 5 years. Yeah, because it's cool and unusual, and unfortunately some smooth brains think it's unusual is bad. Yeah. Sugar, you do great. Hi! I am totally rich. I'm so fucking rich. Rich. Rich with these burps. Thanks for the follow. That's what people keep telling me, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I didn't even, like, think that could be possible. It was already good, but over the years have gone better. What? I mean, Garth gave it a 10, so... Ugh, my hair is just fucking messy, bros. I'll tell you what happened. So last night, like I said, the power went out, and I'm in the middle of a bath. Yeah, I am like 5'8", 5'9". And I'm taking a bath in the pitch black dark. I have the light from my phone, and I like couldn't get my hair very well. And so I went to bed with it wet because I was just like, fuck this. And here we are. Actually, it kind of always looks like this. It kind of always looks like a mess. I think I just have like thick, frizzy hair. Book it. You look good today, girl. Sheesh. What was that face? What is a big burp for me? I don't know. What if Dwayne had a low table fade? Oh gosh. Can you burp Kelly? Kelly. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna chug this and I'm gonna go take a piss and then watch Tiffany Stratton cash in, baby. Oh, okay. Xtina, close your ears. Let me start over. Deep breath. Everyone, Mitch is back. I kind of run out with that. I kind of run low. We should see how many burps I can do in a minute on here. What if Xena had a low day buffet? You can put anyone's name in front of that. Xtina, will you get a low taper fade for us? Just on this side of your you can keep all the hair over here. Thanks, Xtina. Yeah. Dwayne Johnson can't get a low taper fade because he's bald. Sugar. Oh, that was so bad, guys. Bald is beautiful. Dude, I love rocking the bald look at my house when I make videos about Stone Cold Steve Austin. I only made one. It was funny, though. Mitch, be quiet. You will never have a low taper fade. Thank you, Patch Notes Junkie. What are patch notes? What are patch notes? Is that like when you're like, no, that's something else. I was about to say, when you're like writing a paper and you have to cite something. Thanks, Patchy. Thanks, Patch. Yeah, I don't know either. It's probably some college shit that I know nothing about. Actually, I did go to college. I was on Britain's Got Talent, MJ. Cite our sources, don't forget. Yeah, I have a Buffalo Wild Wings cup. So what? You're jealous. Don't worry about it. MLA format. I remember those days. Trying to push the word limit. Trying to get some filler words in there as to... you have what? A low taper fade? I was about to pop off on you, bro. Did I steal what? Or was it what? Did I steal what? Can you burp the alphabet? Oh my gosh. You're not a Never mind. Mitch, I'm about to, bro. How you do to drink a lot and never look bloated? I'm not even showing my whole body. How could you, like, tell if I was bloated or not? Oh, I forgot the boom, sugar. I'm so sorry. I forgot the boom. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Dwayne, gosh. It's the way you spell it. It makes me want to sing. We bring the boom. That's what we do. We bring the boom. We bring the boom to you. It's all about the boobs. You gotta move your boobs with it. There was a SNL made fun of them. It was so funny. Oh my gosh, I'll buy you some. You can have mine. I'll buy you some. Which size do you want? Don't go with D. I think that would just be too much for you. But a solid C, dude. A solid C would be perfect. Yeah, we gotta help each other out here. Should be it's rough out there. Do you have any sisters, Xtina? I have 2 sisters, and their boobs are bigger than mine. It's like, okay, I guess I got the fucking weekend to stick for that. No, I'm fine with mine. I feel like if they were any bigger, I'd be way too uncomfortable. So, just brothers. You have me. I'm your sister. No, we have different dads, Garth, so that's probably why. No, not that that would have anything to do with it. It's completely different. Completely different, but I'm just saying, like, maybe it has something to do with the DNA lineup. I don't know. Oh my god! We're not supposed to talk about her anymore. I'm the man. We know about Katie. But can your other sister? She's tried and she cannot. She sounds like a dying calf. Every time she tries. Damn right I'm ignoring you. No, I'm the man. You missed it earlier. Someone was in here asking about my sister again, and I was just like, can you guys stop asking about her? Because she doesn't like the community anymore. She doesn't want to make content, and I for sure know that if she was, you guys would know about it. So I don't like. I just get tired of talking about her. You guys like her more than me. She was better than me. Well, if you want to see her, you can go to YouTube and support my channel because every time someone watches one of the videos, I get money. Day 1, A1. I gotta do the boom for sugar. I forget. I was supposed to go, hey, we bring the boom. Yeah, you know, gotta support the fam. She had more bass. I don't think she had more bass, but that's cool. Maybe she did. Maybe she had a little more, like, oomph in it. I think, though, it's because I don't think she is as naturally gassy as me, like those, but I could be wrong. Like, because I don't study it as much as you guys observe it and study it, so. We bring the boom. Take that, Rizzler. Garth. Thanks, dudes. Thanks, I'm the man. Thanks, man. I would love to burp on that little Rizzler kid, flatten him out rough. Right quick. What did that even? What kind of threat was that? I'm gonna go flatten out a kid? What the fuck? What word? Oh, oop. You down with OPE? Yeah, you know me. You down with OPE? Yeah, you know me. Oh, OPE? Yeah, you know me. Hold on, watch out, stop. That's all I know it from, but that's because I'm freaking 35. I'm 35 years old. Where are you? Oh, where is Burps? I fucking be out of that. Let me put my Modelo shirt on real quick. I do have uno Modelo. Uno. Looks like a graduation. No. Wait till they're done with me. They're crushing. Look at that bowl cut. Look at that bowl cut. Hell yeah, bro. Look at that bowl cut. He's a little paper fan. Dude, that's my man with the bowl cut, bro. Oh, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Y el gato. El gato. Can I be in the band? I'm overstimulated. Oh, that's a shirt. Oh, I will while we're waiting. Is this Paula Paula? Let's go. Oh, it looks like the camera crew's there. I think there's a camera crew there, guys. I totally see a cameraman. Coca-Cola! Sí! Pepsi-Cola! Sí! Coca-Cola! Kimycola! Wise men say. I want to be part of the performance. There goes the singers. Yay! I hope they muted me. Olé! Olé! Jeremy! Yes! We did it! Hey, muchos cervezas! Muchos cervezas! Hola! Mucho! Rockstar! This is somebody's bored at the cousin's ceremony or some shit. You're not supposed to be on TikTok live. Hola! Alright, I'm not burning out. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Say, más cervezas, por favor. That was funny. That was really fucking funny. I heard them laughing at me. I would love to drink the bathwater. Oh! Oi! Dude, you're not the first one that said that. I'm just like, maybe there's a market. I could pour a little bit. I could pour a little bit and then burp on top and then screw it up real quick.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Where are you from?
America?
Peru. One bear, I am good.
Where are you from?
I am from
Oh, I'm so stupid. Pakistan, I was about to say. Okay.
Palestine, Gaza.
Palestine. Palestine? Gaza?
Gaza.
What?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What's your name?
I name Ibrahim.
Ibrahim? What?
Yes.
Ibrahim. I said it right?
Yeah, good.
Oh. Sweet. I'll burp your name for you, okay?
اوكي.
Cool.
على فرح. يا اخوان كبس ونشير نجيب الجبلة. عالدبل يلا نشد عالدبل. To follow back my friend.
Sure. I'll do it later.
شكرا فرح على الفولو والله. Thank you. يا اخوان وردة. والله شكرا فرح شكرا فرح من مصر على راسي مصر واهلي مصر. الله يبارك.
Oh.
والله شكرا فرح على راسي.
Yeah, you shouldn't have followed me.
بقول لك ايه.
Hola.
على راسي ولا فرح.
Oh my gosh. I am so gassy today.
هلا بيسو. شكرا فرح.
He didn't seem to care. Yeah, I guess so. I'm out of here, dudes. NPC, yeah, you know me. I know, what's he doing under that blanket? It's cold in Gaza. I'm gonna go watch wrestling because Shermany's trying to crash and I'm gonna go see it. That's my girl. Even if she failed, she's still my girl. He's calling me back! I swear it.
What انت بارو؟
I'm so sorry. We got disconnected. I'm so sorry, Ibram.
Okay.
Okay. Um,
اوكي.
okay. Oh, silly. I know, he wanted more. He's so silly. Okay, dudes. You want one more boom sugar for the road? Dudes, thanks for coming through today. Oh yeah. I'll have to check to see if you're on that list or not. There's like a couple people on that list. I just don't know. Boom shakalaka. Okay, guys, I'm out on here. I'm out on here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here because Mitch has a stinky, stinky penis.